It started about 8 years ago. We had nothing but an idea.
And when we had to play, we would end up playing in the parking lot right when people were driving in for prayers.
We started out as a drawing on paper.
We started with a drawing on the back of a napkin.
And now we have a nearly finished building in front of our eyes.
MIC will inshallah have a dedicated masjid with beautiful Islamic, artistic and exquisite finishes inspired by the architecture of Qurtuba in Andalus. We're going to import the Qurtuba of Andalus into the Cordova of Tennessee.
When MIC Masjid opens its doors, inshallah, it will have a capacity up to 1,250 people in the dedicated masjid and overflow area.
This is expandable to 2,500 people in special occasions when high capacity is needed.
Total building capacity for prayers is up to 4,000 people, including all overflow areas.
The multifunctional hall is a truly versatile and adaptable hall to various functions and activities. Highly presentable and finely decorated, also equipped with state-of-the-art audiovisual technology.
It can also host worship services, lectures, seminars, classes, community events, celebrations and weddings, graduations, movie screenings, theater, and many other possibilities. The hall can accommodate up to 900 guests in a banquet setting and up to 1,900 guests in auditorium or theater setting.
This is our home. This is our community. This is MIC. For 8 long years, we've waited for this moment, and now it's within our reach. Let's build this home for ourselves and for our future. We may have started out small, but now we are not. Now the dream is nearly a reality.
Our community center, our family life center, our children's future center. Let's do what it takes to finish this project. Let's complete the vision and fulfill the dream.
We are so close to finishing our community center. Join us, and together, let's make our vision become a reality.